A contingency fee agreement is an alternative to paying a lawyer their hourly rate. A lot of times people can't afford a lawyer's hourly rate, and the contingency fee allows those individuals to be able to hire a lawyer where they otherwise would not be able to afford one. The way it works is that if you enter into a contingency fee contract with a lawyer, the lawyer will take a percentage of any recovery that's made in the case. So for example, if you made a recovery of $100,000, a typical contingency fee would be 33% or $33,333 of the recovery. In addition, the contingency fee agreement allows the person not to come out of pocket for the cost. The law firm will typically front those costs and then subtract them from any recovery at the end of the case. Costs are things like filing fees or getting medical records or talking to doctors or hiring experts if you need one in the case. And those can be quite expensive, running into the tens of thousands of dollars sometimes. And the contingency fee contract is set up so where if there's no recovery made in a case, then the client owes no fees and no cost. The law firm assumes the risks of recovering the fees and the cost, thereby kind of leveling the playing fields. And that's important, for example, in automobile cases, because you'll be going against insurance companies who are well funded and have deep pockets. The contingency fee contract allows the ordinary individual to hire a lawyer where they otherwise would not be able to, and thereby bring their claim if they're hurt in an automobile accident. Contingency fees benefit individuals because it levels the playing field, and the client can hire a lawyer without assuming the risk of incurring attorney's fees or cost. Typically, when you hire a lawyer, they'll charge you an hourly rate, and you'll have to front the cost in any litigation. The contingency fee works sort of in the opposite direction, where the law firm assumes the risks of being paid, their attorney's fees, and recovering costs. They will front the cost. So basically, the benefit to the client is they're not out of pocket at any time during the litigation. And that's very important when you go into litigation, because that pretty much levels the playing field, especially when you're going against a company or insurance company who has a lot of resources that they have at their hand to defend a claim once it's being brought.